In the western United States, large temperature increases are on the horizon, where a net increase of more than 0.8 degrees Celsius during the winter months has recently been observed. The regions of the West most affected include Alaska, the Northwest, the Southwest, and the northern Great Plains. However, the largest rise in temperature of roughly 2.5 degrees Celsius was experienced in the northern Great Plains and the Northwest. Therefore, I will be focusing on the border between Wyoming and South Dakota, since Wyoming is in the northwest and part of the northern Great Plains, and South Dakota is part of the northern Great Plains and the upper Midwest of the United States. The western United States, especially Wyoming and South Dakota, is particularly vulnerable to increases in temperature due to a combination of natural and human causes. Humans contribute to the increase in temperature through the use of anthropogenic aerosols and changes in land use, whereas the natural increase in temperature can be attributed to the lack of a long-term warming trend related to atmospheric circulation and internal climate variability. These claims are supported by the Fifth Assessment Report conducted by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, which has suggested that human influences have made a profound contribution to the changes in intensity and frequency of temperature extremes on a global scale since the mid-20th century. 3 studies conducted from 2011 to 2014 indicate that the upper Midwest, California, and the Midwest experience increases in frequency and intensity of temperature change due to human-induced attributions. These regions, especially the Northwest, including Wyoming and South Dakota, will experience a warming hole with a lack of a long-term warming trend in the near future. The northern parts of the United States will experience 20 to 30 fewer days a year with a minimum temperature below freezing, whereas in the western part of the United States, the number of days below freezing will increase to 40 to 50 days. The changes in cold and warm extremes are relevant to the fields of engineering, agriculture related to plant hardiness zones, and other sectorial applications such as HVAC. The occurrence of cold waves and heat waves are of great importance due to their societal and environmental implications that may impact everything from human health to the relation between plants, animals, and the climate during seasonal change.